Listen, and repeat. Assert. 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 To act in a way that clearly expresses confidence, importance, or power. Or, assert could also mean to strongly express that something is certainly true. This means that the agent strongly believes that there are spies in the government. Here, the president exercised his authority, in a clear and direct manner to stop legislation. Synonyms for to assert are, to argue, to declare, to claim, and, to state. Antonyms for to assert include, to deny, to reject, and, to question. Assert. 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 Like the video and subscribe to the channel and learn a new word every day.